they've got the ability to come and even start a business, or they can work in one of the places that we're talking about. So, I mean, at the end of the day, I know we were talking a little bit about this before we actually started the podcast today, but at the end of the day, look down the road a couple of decades, and it is a reverse of what it's been.
It is 100%.
Alright guys, so we're at Stegemeyer Park. We're gonna go on a walk.
I've had a lot of discussion on my show here in Michigan.
Here it is.
Regarding end times and Israel.
We're going on a little nature walk.
And how a lot of different Bible
I'm eating a bit of chocolate.
interpret the scriptural reference.
Do we keep our phones in the pocket?
You can, but don't pull them out. Just zip them up and put them in your pocket.
I'm making a video.
I can't zip it.
Is that okay?
Well, then you can leave it here if you can't get it out.
That would be such
No, I can't.
Is it okay if I make a video?
No.
Yeah, make a video.
Yay!
But you
You can't show us.
But you can't be scrolling.
We own that area as well. It turns out Pete Hegseth, the Department of Defense Secretary,
You can't just be looking on the phone.
there's some comments that he made then about the idea of the third temple being built someday. And it's not impossible to consider that.
Alright guys, we're here.
There's a lot of Bible scholars who say that's not
Oh my.
we should interpret that as literally a physical temple being built. But
Alright guys, here we are at the park. This Stegemeyer Park. We're gonna take a little nature walk with my dad, my brother. Ben, you wanna say hi?
got a lot of kids.
Aye.
Looks like
I would rather do that than.
Yeah, we can go study.
Alright guys, I'm going to cut until we're there. Alright, so we're here. I'm gonna put my gloves on, hold on.
I'll just keep it in here. I don't want it to break it or risk falling out and break the case.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're here. Well, let me unbuckle my seat. Alright. Alright guys, we're here.
Alright, boys, let's go.
This is gonna be a fun walk. We're making a video.
But you can't just.
No, I'm making a video. It's a snowy day, guys.
But make sure you're not paying attention to the phone, but paying attention to what's around you.
No, I'm just making a video. Let's see what we can find. Alright, so we're starting the walk. This is going to be the full walk. I'm not going to stop recording. It might take maybe 10-15 minutes to upload.
You can tell where we're at.
I might, yeah. Alright guys, so we are at Stegemeyer Park. We're making a nature walk video. And I hope this gets a lot of views because this is going to be a long video. Like, I swear. I haven't made a video longer than 30 minutes. At
Are
most.
they loose on you, the shoes?
I might need to cut at some point. Like a distraction or something.
Yeah, let's see. Move your other foot here.
Here are my gloves.
You can cut it.
It's peaceful out here.
Yeah.
Alright. So,
The lake, yeah, let's go to that.
do we go over there?
Keep walking straight.
Do we? Oh, yeah. I wonder what that's for. I wonder.
No cars allowed to go by.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, makes sense. Because, like, it's not really a road. I might need to, like, take off one of my gloves so I could, like, stop recording. I'll just take off, like, one of my gloves. But for now, I'm not going to do it. Hey, Dad, you want to say hi?
Hi.
Yeah, that's my dad. So we're just making like a little vlog. Like, it's pretty beautiful here. We don't really come here, but maybe we come here like once in a while. But yeah, just got some snow tracks here. We've been recording this for 5 minutes. Alright. I had a few parts for when we were in the car, Dad.
Yeah.
I had a part when we were in the car. And I just cut it until we were there.
Why are you walking slow?
Ben, walk faster.
So once you get on the snow, it'll be better. You won't-
I have a good focus.
Alright, we're on the trail.
Alright, here we are. Oh my god. Alright. Feeding of wildlife is prohibited.
You can't eat here.
Big bet.
Wonder what we'll find here.
They do cross country skiing here too. You can see the marks. See? Going straight down. That's from the skis. The walk in the.
I mean, isn't it like pretty flat?
Yeah, that's where the skis are. So the skis make it like a flat little path.
Could I take off like one of my gloves so I could have like a hand to pause and record? Alright. Alright. Cool. Oh, yep, it was a squirrel. He just ran off. We already found one animal, which is an animal you would commonly see.
Here, like I think last time I seen here, I went Friday.
Oh, there's one over there. There's one on the tree.
Oh, he's so fast.
Dang.
He's right on that.
Alright guys, so this is me, camera view. I hear something.
He makes that noise.
Guys, there was one right there. There's one right there. He's over there.
You'll start to see deer.
Are squirrels afraid of humans? Holy crap, there's a lot. There's a lot over here. Oh my god, this is kind of icy over here.
Yeah, I can watch hours.
Oh my god. It is very slippery. I might put like a...
What you could do is shut the whole thing and then edit parts out.
Like, what should I edit?
Make it like a 20-minute video instead of an hour.
No, it should be fun making an hour video.
No, it's why? No one's gonna watch an hour. I'd rather.
Wow.
Huge.
What the heck?
The feet's probably like 10, 15 feet wide. It looks like those.
So you seen deer?
Yeah. You gotta go in more. See, we're right on it. Start going in more. You have to do it.
Mom said it's supposed to snow tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold on to the rails.
Alright.
Cool. It is a little.
Yeah, it is.
You can walk slow. Man.
Yeah.
Yeah, hold on to the rails.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Be careful.
Yeah. Alright. for a turn.
That's the way we came from that side.
If we were hunters, this would be a good place to come. Oh, hunt.
You'll see a waterfall come up here. A little one. See? A little waterfall. They're more like little rapids.
Yeah. See if we can find any more deer.
Much? It's a much what?
Wow, this is also frozen over.
It's ice. When that snow melted and it refroze, it froze into ice, like a sheet of ice.
He's trying to break it. Wow, look at that. In there.
Look at this, Jack. You want to take a picture of this? Oh, that. Yeah, that's cool. People like that.
Like that. Look at that.
Tell them that's the creek is icing over. It's freezing.
Yeah. It's very very icy here too. I almost like.
Yeah, what are you gonna catch with that? Chicken?
Bro, what? Alright, let me watch you montage. Great, you broke some of it off.
You can have it.
Alright, come on. There's another bench you could stare at. Take your chicken tool with you. Is that like a bird catcher?
Bro, what is that alarm noise?
I know what it is.
What?
Oh, I think that's the fire station.
Oh, okay.
They run the fire alarm once a day. I think is it like 1 o'clock yet?
It is. Yeah, it's 1:24.
Yeah, that's probably why. I hear it all the time, like around 1 o'clock. Like on Fridays when they come out here.
Well, I mean, it's Saturday.
Well, they do it every day. It's like a test.
See, here's my chicken. It does pretty good damage on you.
You want me to get my butt bear stick?
No?
I'm gonna
Cut that out.
Look how close that water is up there. See where they rolled it? It's like an island in the middle, so the two splits like Grand Island. You know, like Grand Island? It's like a mini version of Grand Island.
Now here's my...
Guys, I have a question for y'all. Who do you want?
What a stick? Are you trying to choke over against the tree?
Guys, I have a question for y'all. Who you want to win the Super Bowl? Eagles or Chiefs? I'm telling
I think 95% of the country wants
Eagles, yeah.
Eagles to win, unless you're a Kansas City resident.
it's basically the Raps versus the Eagles.
Yeah. Well, what are you gonna do?
What?
How about this? Let's go on this one.
What do you have?
Check out the tree. Watch this up here.
I have a team.
All right.
Let's do
Yeah,
jab.
let's walk that way. Alright, so this kind of steep here and I want you to fall into the well, yeah, this way.
zoom in on the preview. Come on. Then we're not the Native Americans. Oh! Guys, there's a deer over there. Guys, there's deer over here. See? They're over there. See? They're right there. They're over there.
Oh, I see them.
There's 2 of them.
Yeah, there's 2 does.
No, 3.
Oh, you got 3 of them
There's
there.
3? Yeah, there's one
Yes.
walking up.
Yeah, they're all does. Like one's starting to run left. Look,
No, 4.
left. Look, follow them. See, they're all. Oh, there's a baby too. Bucks are rare, but you see a lot of does out here.
Imagine we find a buck.
I found one last week, but that was like the first time in like maybe 5 times being out here.
But they're not extremely rare.
No.
So,
They
we
just
caught
find them and
5.
hide out, maybe. I don't
We
know.
caught 5 deer today. All of them were does. Okay, this one's kind of breakable.
Look, it's a peckerwood, woodpecker,
Where?
right up there.
Yeah, look at this.
Oh,
What I got.
oh my
That's a
god.
small one too. That's a baby pecker.
Okay, let's try that.
Well, here, wait. You gotta break these off. Oh, you can. Huh?
We're Native Americans.
Well, we're native to America because you're born here. So yeah, you're technically a Native American.
It's time. Let's stab.
I mean, it doesn't take that much.
Oh. It's a good walking stick.
We
Yeah,
should
so-
use this.
Yeah.
Just use your hand and like punch a
Another
hole
one
through
like
it.
that. A walking stick.
Oh,
Oh.
eventually.
Yo, we saw like that rabbit. No.
I'm Commander.
Commander butt cheeks.
Why? It's not.
All right, Commander Bear. CB.
No.
Hey, Dad, I'm literally recording a YouTube video. Can you
Okay.
please not talk about that?
About bears?
About
Don't worry, I could outrun you, so you gotta worry about the bear.
Great.
Alright, Rio, is a sidewalk right here? Oh, there's a boardwalk. Wait, you guys,
Look, the cheek little sparrows. Look, right here. Look up, right there.
oh,
Record those are cool.
guys,
Look behind
those
you,
are
Jeff.
sparrows right there.
Behind you, Jeff.
Oh, you see the cardinal? Look up cardinal, the red one. Like, yeah, right
And
there.
that's a cardinal right there.
Zoom in onto that cardinal.
Alright, guys, that's a cardinal.
There's another cardinal. You see it? Right there, they're all coming. Because they think you're
Oh,
gonna
there's
feed them.
one right there.
Because people feed them here.
There's a sparrow right there.
Let's feed him
Look,
chocolate.
another cardinal right there. You got like 4 of them coming.
Let's feed him
See,
chocolate.
see the girl cardinals are like a grayish blue. They're not red like the male.
Dad, can we feed the
See,
cardinal?
look, another girl. Girl, boy. So you got 4 boys and 2 girls. No, 3 girls. No, 4 girls. 1, 2, 3, 4. But only 3 males. That's cool. This is the most cardinals I've seen at the same spot at the same time. Because I usually see like 2 at the most, maybe 3.
And we saw 4 does over there.
Yeah. So they're pretty busy today.
Feed the cardinal some chocolate.
Are you sure, Ben? I don't even got it on. Because. Alright, look. Take a seat and look at the thing. No, I'm just gonna sit this part.
Then you freeze your chestnuts.
Bro, what?
I have an idea.
You gotta understand. There's nowhere to warm up out here. You're as stuffed like a geriatric cat.
Ben, that's not funny. Bro, are cardinals and sparrows that literally...
They're native.
In Western New York, cardinals are very rare. You don't see them in the wintertime, and you don't really see them much in the summertime.
That's rare?
But they come back here because people feed them. This is like the only place around here that I see all these cardinals. But anywhere else, you don't see them.
I saw a cardinal once in the summer.
I seen two in our backyard last year, but that's about it. But they live here. So they have more cardinals, and that's why you see so many cardinals here. No, give it to me. I'm good. Here. I can use it 'cause I'm old.
You guys, I think I see another squirrel.
I could look like a lizard.
No wizard, dog.
I want to break this just now.
But why do you want to break the snow?
See, we're on a bridge, huh?
Alright, so that's below us. Hope I don't drop my phone.
There's a beaver dam down there.
Oh yeah. Don't worry, just in case. Here, I got. You're cooked if you drop me.
What? I'm not climbing down there.
Me either. Jackson's climbing down there. Either
Come on. You better hold on to that phone.
Alright. Don't worry, I got it. I don't want to lose it. Ah, Ben, stop.
Little.
Are you doing that on purpose, bro? This is kind of narrow.
This is a boardwalk. We're walking in the woods.
Bro, we know what this is. Dad, we know what this is. We're not a toddler. We've been here a while. Well, let's see how you do, buddy.
Yeah, they could go ice skating here.
Oh shoot, we should
Because
play.
there's no rapids over there, you got the little waterfall, so the water's still not frozen over.
We should
But
play
if you
hockey.
look here, it's frozen because the water's not moving like
Maybe
that.
we should play hockey here.
Well, you can, but I wouldn't skate on that ice for at least another couple days. Because you know how it was warm for that day and a half? So that ice kind of got thin.
Dad, here you go.
What?
We got that walking stick.
Go.
Alright. Get back on the ball walk. What?
You gotta pay attention, you want to hurt yourself. This is not like walking in the parking lot of a supermarket or something. I should grow a beard and look like a wizard. Don't make me turn you into a bar.
You guys see anything else?
You guys walk a little late. Yeah, this tree's dead. See all the termites and all that eat it?
What about that ash borer or whatever?
Well, the ash borer is a little bit different, but that's not an ash tree.
Oh.
See all the holes?
Uh-huh.
That's from the woodpecker.
Oh.
They bore into it, and but it's also termites because they eat the termites. And the ash borer, I'm not ash borer. That bug came from China on a pallet full of auto parts back in, I think, in the 90s.
Oh, Colonel!
You see it?
There's one over there.
Yeah.
There's one over there and one over there. And sparrows are coming this way.
Yeah, the sparrows will get close. They're like
Yeah,
literally.
No, I didn't. No, I did not.
Yeah, right there. Cardinal in the trees.
Oh.
Native
There's a sparrow.
Americans and sharks.
Well, technically we are Native American because you're born here, so you're native to this
I know,
country.
It's just no one.
Bro. Oh, squirrel and cardinals. They're on the bench. A lot of these animals are busy.
Because they want free food. Oh, look at that. Tape all those cardinals. That's cool. Zoom in before you get scared. See, someone fed them right there. I bet you there's bird seed and other stuff there.
Wow. When was that you?
How come your screen is so blurry?
Dad, I'm on Samsung. I'm not on iPhone.
Oh.
Well, I could have used your phone. Because yours is better.
That's cool. So he gets closer, but go slow.
The bird and Ben, are you retarded?
Holy crap! Don't come out. Let's charge this.
Sure.
No, we don't get scared.
Yeah, we are.
Ben, I want to watch him. This is cool. I've never seen that many cardinals in my life. Yeah, all at once.
Stop.
I'm going to take that.
You can zoom in on that one. See that bird seed, that's why.
I think they're getting scared.
Ben, come over here. Let's watch it.
Wait, let's try this one.
No. Leave that alone. They're eating there. Come over here. Come over here. You can watch them. Keep back here. Back up a little. Alright, now they're coming forward. Oh, they're pretty. See, that's a girl right there, the grayish blue one.
Wow.
Yeah, I never seen that many cardinals in one spot, like in real life. The most I ever seen up was today. There probably had to be at least 10 cardinals there.
So.
Is that your favorite orange hat?
No.
You're not a wizard, Dad.
You want to bet? I'll turn you into a frog. How about a toad?
I dare you.
Toad?
I dare you.
Toad. Are you a toad yet?
No.
No. Oh, you'll change when you're asleep. When you're asleep in the middle of the night.
No, I won't.
Yeah, you will.
No, I
You wake
won't.
up as a toad.
Am I going to be saying ribbit? Oh, guys. They're right there.
There's more cardinals right there.
Let me zoom in on them.
I bet you there's food there. That's why they're eating. Yeah.
The sparrows and there's the cardinal.
Cardinals are a little bit more scared. Sparrows are a little bit more bolder. They'll come closer to you. Cardinals not as much.
Yeah, see, they're flying away.
Yeah, cardinals are a little bit scared. And see what they go sledding right there. See the hill over there? We'll come back next week and go sledding here. Look at that. Look at that cardinal right there on the railing. He's pretty. That's a big one.
Hold on, I need to get a better picture.
Can you zoom in?
Hold on, I want to get a picture.
Right in front of that tree. Right there, yeah?
The first one I took wasn't a good photo, but the second one I just
It's
aimed it.
good photos, but they got take up the photos and delete the ones you want.
I took the photos.
This is to eat, like seeds and stuff.
I don't think there's anywhere else to go unless there's huge space.
Well, this is the open field, and there's the hill where it hit slide. They were sliding earlier. You remember when we were pulling up, they were going to the cars? Yeah, so that's a pretty decent hill to go sliding. That's probably, I don't know, maybe 70 feet, 80, give or take. Yeah, you can sit there and look at the scenery.
Come on, let's do that. But I don't know.
There's no boardwalk here. You get down. Quick, look. It's smaller than the ice as you go out.
What? Okay.
You're gonna get your butt wet. I suggest you not do that.
It's not even wet.
Your butt crack will melt the ice, will suck up into your sweatpants.
No, I won't.
Because your butt, the body heat will melt that ice when you sit. Come on. Maybe a beaver flew up or something. Oh, you ever see a beaver eat a tree? Here you go. A beaver chewed that and drug it into the water.
I guess.
Yeah, right in the creek. It's not a guess. That's how a beaver chopped down trees. See the teeth marks? They're like the first loggers.
I know that.
And they don't need saws or axes. They got 2 front teeth.
Alright, guys, over here. I wonder if I can get any more pictures. Cardinal. Oh, scroll.
Where? Oh.
They're over there.
Yeah, I bet you they drop food there. Because that anytime you see a crowd like that, they drop food. What? Yeah, weapons?
I took a few pictures. See, was that a squirrel? Yeah, it's definitely a squirrel. I gotta get a good view. Guys, don't scare them away. Guys, don't. I gotta
That's a
be
squirrel.
very, very careful.
these are the bad boys.
What are those 2 axes?
Yeah.
X's and a fork.
Yeah.
You're gonna eat some meat? Are you done?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, it's like 4 squirrels right there, I think.
I took like 5 pictures.
You'll post it in your
There's
video.
1, 2,
In
3,
the car now.
and yeah, there's 4 animals. There you have other
I want to see a beaver.
squirrels are right there. Oh, there's one right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is 4. The one's running over there.
Yeah, keep watching.
We'll scare them off anyway.
That's 2 cardinals. That's probably
No way
a
they're
guy
not.
and his wife.
No way they're not moving.
They're married. It's a girl and a boy.
I'm surprised how they didn't move.
Yeah, you got he's shoving everything in his mouth. He's greedy. He's like, I'm not gonna let the cardinals eat all this.
There's the one there. Yeah, and they got scared.
That's good.
Oh, there's more people over here. I don't want to get them in my video.
Come on, Bear.
I'm making another. Sorry, I ended the video, but I had to start a new clip. So I just started a new clip. All right. I'll just take all my clips and put them in one video.
You can edit it.
Yeah. No way they didn't get scared that close to us. Alright. This video might be just like maybe an hour long.
You can edit some parts, but
Like shorten it a bit. No, I want the whole thing.
kids like to see stuff out because they don't get out of the house because they're always watching their phones. And
I could
videos.
teach kids to get out
Yeah.
and do something.
Yeah, just say, hey, get out of the house. No,
Sorry, I'm gonna make this video and I'm gonna make a Fortnite short.
This is another nice spot right here.
Look, you got like a few houses over here.
No, right here. Where, this side. That's a nice view.
Oh, there's a squirrel.
You see the chipmunk or
Yeah, squirrel.
there's a squirrel. That's the old squirrel. There's a hill. You don't want to fall down.
This one's not icy. This one.
Yeah, so you sit on here, you can check out the view. It's beautiful, especially in the fall. It's nice in the winter too, but it's better in the fall. The fall looks way better.
What? All right.
We're benefiting the people. I'm starting with a Nobel Peace Prize.
For what? We're chopping up ice?
For what?
That makes no sense.
What makes that sense?
Wouldn't a Nobel Peace Prize for?
Nobel, not a Nobel. Hey, you could even win a Peace Prize without doing anything. A president won it like that. He didn't even accomplish anything. He still got a Peace Prize. Before he even took office. Or at the start of office.
Who?
Obama.
Oh,
Yeah, they gave him a Nobel Peace Prize. They didn't even do anything. Because usually you have to earn it. You have to accomplish something that benefits mankind.
didn't MLK win a Nobel Peace Prize?
I don't remember. Maybe. What about a butt bear fries? Squirrel. Ugh. Squirrel.
Yeah. Ah.
Okay, sure.
Why?
Come on, bear.
Ben, are you retarded?
Bear.
There's the butt bear, guys.
Alright, we just keep walking. You'll follow.
I wonder how far we're going.
I don't know. There. That's better.
That is gonna lead to the same thing.
Yeah, but I like to take paths of more resistance instead of least resistance.
Very peaceful here.
It's probably their backyard. Yeah, because they got a house right there, and you got like a boat, so I figure that's probably their backyard.
Dad,
What?
we're gonna meet the Native Americans.
You are the Native Americans. You're native to this area. Well, people, that's what people don't understand. It's anyone that's born on this land that grew up on this land.
I know, but the Native Americans with the Indian tribe.
Yeah, but they weren't the first ones here.
But we need to defeat the Native Americans.
That's what they thought, but they found out they weren't the first ones here. All right, keep walking.
Alright.
Black cat. You see the canoe?
Yeah, there's a cat over there.
And there's also a barrel smoker. Yeah, on a trail, you can do competitions with that. That's what I always wanted to do. I'll go smoking competitions where like you do ribs, brisket, compete to see how you stack up to other people.
Guys, this way.
My butt's native to this land. No.
Alright. There's snow here.
Native monkey. Are monkeys native to Western Europe? No?
Do you like wrap around?
Measure it from
What time it is? 1:57. Oh, but my phone's low. But I might have enough to record this video. Hey Dad, my phone's getting low.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's only at 20%.
Well, then pause it. When you come up to something, then restart it.
Alright.
There's another big one. That's scalping. That was like their, they would collect them.
Should regular countries be made in America?
Huh?
Should countries be made in America?
These countries what now?
Should countries be named Native Americans? Like, depends what country and they're on. Like, what types of...
Well,
What types of countries do you think
well they weren't originally Native Americans. It's people just keep renaming them. Yeah, the Indians or
Now it's at 19.
cool.
You might need to hurry. It's like my phone's getting low.
Then pause it, and I'll show you better ones when we get there. Pause it for now.
Alright, guys, so we just found some turkey tracks.
So you see, it starts right here. They're walking right here. You see them?
Mhm.
And they keep.
I don't
you
think
see
my
them walking.
camera's focused enough.
Well, get closer to it. The turkey tracks are right here, where my stick is.
Mhm.
You'll see more.
There could be around here.
See you see them right here?
We're here on. I don't know.
Yeah, how are you? Good. How you doing? Good. What's up here? Gets like bumpy.
God, this is slippery.
Yeah, it's a little bumpy right there. So if you don't step right, you could lose your footing. Yeah, see if you like film over there, this is kind of cool right here. Right up there.
Alright, guys, so my dad said to film this. I'm gonna take a picture actually.
You can film it too, you can tell them about it.
Yeah, so my dad told me to do this, so tell us about it, Dad.
Well, we're on top of a hill right now. You can see the scenic little ravine right there. That's maybe, I don't know, 100 feet deep, 120 maybe. And we got a place over there where you can sit and look at the nature's beauty, the animals and stuff like that.
Alright. You're making me do it.
I need help. I need help. I need mental help, please. Ah.
I want to watch.
First time Footprint is awakened from his slumber of hibernation.
Bro, what? Alright, so here we are, I don't know where we're at. Fiend.
The old railroad track. We used to have a train there. We're not doing it
Alright,
there. So
here we are. I don't know, my phone might die before we could even stop.
underneath
Alright. Well. Alright. Sorry if I couldn't record the rest of the video because my phone died. So, that is the end of the video. Hope you like it. And like and subscribe if you want more like vlogs or Fortnite videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.